everyone. So we currently do not have a functional wheelchair van, and I know that's the case for a lot of people. They are very expensive, even used they're expensive, and to get a new van and get one modified is very expensive. Sometimes there are state programs that can help you convert a van, but they have stipulations and it's a very challenging process. So I'm going to show you what we do to transport Hezzy's wheelchair. Keep in mind, for this method, you do still need a car seat. So take a look. We purchased split ramps with side balusters. They're lighter weight than single-piece ramps, and the side balusters ensure that the wheelchair doesn't accidentally end up rolling off. Before loading, it's ideal to have the wheelchair in a slightly reclined position and remove any obstacles. In this case, we have a sunshade device that we need to put in its downward position. Otherwise, once it's loaded, we make sure that we lock the wheelchair into place and we put the handlebars down. Here's a close-up of the ramps. They have a little bit of a curved edge, as well as you can see those side balusters. I put towels down to reduce the amount of scratching, and it helps prevent noise while driving. You'll also notice that I put the wheelchair off to the side as much as possible so that it's easier to see through the rear view mirror. So yes, it is possible to still transport your wheelchair even if you don't have a wheelchair van.